So here are a few of my Talisman pouches that I've made that I'll be teaching, and I wanted to show you the construction of them. Now some of them have transfer photographs on them with some stitching like these two here, and then these we make little masks, and here's the back side of them. But they're more than just this. They actually have a little secret pouch. So you can hang these on the wall, you can hang them around your neck. And when you do this, it actually pulls out here, and here is a little secret pocket that you can put all your little treasures in. And then close it back up. Just slide it in there and pull these. And it's back to that. So I'll be teaching you how to make these using cold wax and dark cold wax, which creates a kind of leathery feel to these. Now how I got into these is I was in Morocco, and I found these they're very old bags, Talisman pouches, and I just became so obsessed with them, and I decided to make my own. So this is like an old original, and it's the same concept. You pull it up and you open up, and here's your little pouch. So I couldn't get enough of them, so I had to make my own, and that's where all these come from. So I hope you'll join me in class.